In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your username here in Cookie Run Kingdom. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to find your username here in Cookie Run Kingdom, here's exactly what you're going to want to do. First things first, obviously you get loaded into Cookie Run Kingdom, and what you're going to want to do is actually tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Now there's actually a lot of information on this page overall, but what you're going to want to do is look in the top left corner and you're going to see your username displayed right there. This username that you put in is going to be the exact same username that is used for your kingdom as well. So you got to keep that in mind when you're putting in a kingdom name. That's going to be whatever username you want. You are able to edit this. You could select it just like so, but you do need to have the ability to change it right here. But you do need the ability to change it. And in order to get the change option, you are going to have to grind for it just a little bit. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. I apologize if you can hear the rain in the back. It's pouring where I am right now. But if you do have any questions, ask us below. We got you. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.